Welcome to our channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to log out from your Google account. For this you have to open your Google app, and after that in here at the top right corner of the screen you guys can see your profile. Tap on here and then you can see this image, and after that tap on here. Then you can find out your other account. If you want to log out from your this account and also you want to log into your other accounts, you can also do it. Just simply tap on your other accounts and then you can log out from your recent account, and then you can automatically log into your other account. See how easy it is? We put lots of effort every day through videos to make your life better. If it helps, please subscribe and like. Until next time, bye bye.